All right, thank you so much, Mike. Now, with that storm moving in this afternoon, it clearly can make for both a slow and a potentially tricky evening drive. We've been checking to see if any schools in Metro Detroit have announced that they're going to close earlier today. So far, no districts have made that call, which is a good thing because today is a count day and student attendance is key for funding our schools.
Yeah, about 10% is determined by the count number today. Now, tomorrow, it's likely going to be a different story when it comes to school closures because we are dealing with the aftermath of the storm at that point.
7 News Detroit reporter Ryan Marshall joins us live from Farmington with insight from the superintendent of Farmington Schools on how this decision is made. Ryan?
Well, good morning, guys. And we're paying attention to Mike Taylor and the entire First Alert weather team. I think everybody in this area is paying attention to their forecasts ahead of this first big storm. And that would include parents that are looking at yet another snow day potentially, or days with an S. These parents looking at that here in Farmington Hills. We had a chance to talk to the superintendent. Many of the superintendents here are going to meet across Oakland County to talk about a game plan on what they're going to do today and into tomorrow and maybe even beyond that as well. Now, the snow is expected, as Mike just said, to hit this afternoon. That'll certainly make things tougher for the evening drive home. Farmington Schools certainly concerned about that. They're thinking about those plans beyond today, tomorrow, and maybe even Friday. We caught up with Farmington Schools Superintendent Dr. Kelly Coffin to find out how she's handling things in her district right here and those possible plans.
Oakland County does have a process where the Oakland County superintendents come together whenever there's a weather event, and we work with a meteorologist to try to get the most accurate information. I'm assuming our weather call is going to happen tomorrow morning, and that will give us better information.
All right, back here live now, and they are certainly trying to get those plans together. They are looking at things. Dr. Coffin told us that she generally doesn't like to let school out early for a number of different factors, sending kids off into, all of this happening here and a lot of different things just being affected by that. But if that timetable does change, they may make a different determination. And the first people they say they're going to let know are the families, those parents, to let them know of any of those changes that they would certainly make here. But very much right now, they are thinking about what's going to happen here in the near future. We're here just outside of North Farmington High School in Farmington Hills. I'm Ryan Marshall for 7 News Detroit this morning.
Yeah, the parents want to know so they can plan, especially if, when the kids get out early. Thank you very much, Ryan, for your live reporting.
Yeah.
Now, if you can't